Good morning, class. Good morning, class 10. Today is day 3rd of chapter 14, Statics of Mathematics. Myself, Kanhaiya Kumar from Mount Litera G School, Bihta. My dear student, today's learning objective in this class, we learned about mode of grouped and ungrouped data. Mode. For ungrouped data, mode is the most frequent occurring data. That is, which data occurs maximum number of times, that is called mode. Find the mode of the following data, that is 95, 92, 96, 95, 94, 93, 95, 99, 98, 100. Solution. 95 comes 3 times and it is the maximum number of times out of all the data, so mode is 95 for ungrouped data. Model class. It is a class in which the frequency is maximum, or we can say the class corresponding to maximum frequency is called model class. Model class, it is a class in which the frequency is maximum, or we can say the class corresponding to maximum frequency is called model class. See here the formula for mode for group data. Mode m naught equal to L plus f1 minus f naught upon 2f1 minus f naught minus f2 into h. Here there are so many terms. So what is L? L is lower limit of the model class. H size, class size or size of the class interval, assuming all class size to be equal. F1. F1 is the frequency of the model class. F0, frequency of the class preceding the model class. F2, frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Note, if mode is given, then the class in which mode lies is called model class. Note, it is very important. If mode is given, then the class in which mode lies is called model class. For better understanding, I have to take one question for better understanding. The following table shows the ages of the patient admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode of the data. Age in years and number of patients. You know, number of patients is frequency, and age in years 5 to 15, 6 patients, 15 to 25, 11 patients, 25 to 35, 21 patients, 35 to 45, 23 patients, 45 to 55, 14 patients, 55 to 65, 5 patients. Here the maximum frequency is 23, so the corresponding class 35 to 45 is model class. Here model class is 35 to 45. Lower limit of model class, we can say it is L, so it is a 35. Frequency of model class, see the frequency of model class is 23, so F1 is 23. F0, the preceding frequency of model class, so it is a 21. Frequency preceding the model class F0, and it is a 21. Frequency succeeding the model class, that is F2, and which is a 14. And class size 15 minus 5, that is 10. That is upper limit minus lower limit of same class. You know the formula for mode. M naught equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is 35. So 35 plus 23 minus 21 upon 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14. And here class size is 10. In this year, this question comes for 2 marks. So 35 plus 2 upon 46 minus 35 into 10. So 2 into 10, 20 upon 11, 35 plus 20 upon 11. That is 35 plus 1.81. So mode m naught equal to 36.81 years. So mode age of the patients is 36.81 years. Homework, complete exercise 14.2 from NCERT and learn the formula. Thank you, class.